Sister dear, it's the holidays, and you're not here, you're not home. I don't understand how we've grown apart. My love for you breaks my heart. I remember the night you cried. Daddy said it would be alright. You said Daddy lied, and why did you leave? Don't you know what you meant to me? God, won't you bring back my sister, please? I was sitting out back, I heard a tree branch crack from the snow on its limb. The street lamp grows dim from the snow falling down. Now I'm thinking way back to the things that we lacked, but somehow we were free. Now I don't know who you are, sister, how can that be? Sometimes we get lost, but somehow we get found. Every night I pray God'll turn your life around. And why did you leave? Don't you know what you meant to me? God, won't you bring back my sister, please? Sister dear, it's the holidays, it's a present to me. Won't you please come home?